Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Tradona markets to cTrader. So the first thing that we are going to do is click on brokers, scroll down to load more, and then we click on the T, and then we click right here on Tradona markets. Then we do open account right there, and then he will send us right here to the Tradona markets website. Then what you're going to do is you need to create an account right here for yourself. So we click on get started. Then right now we do right here the CAPTCHA, and then right now you will see here a massive list. Then what you need to know that if you want to use cTrader for Tradona, you need to fill in right here the email address that you are using here in cTrader. So if you go right in the top, you will find your email address right here on this place. Then we go back and then you need to create yourselves an account. Do the complete setup for your account. And when you arrive at the place where you can choose the platform type, make sure that you fill in on that place cTrader. So if you then complete your setup account right there and you did the correct email address and selected platform cTrader, he will automatically sync your broker in this list right here on cTrader, here on the right. And then you can find your account right here, select an account, and then you can trade from that account. So I already did this for Fusion markets, FP markets, FTMO, FX Pro, and IC markets, and it works for all the brokers exactly the same. So this is how you can connect Tradona right here to cTrader. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.